So how to make splashes or water droplets on face, right? So with the help of your eraser, what you need to do, just erase. First you need to render and then erase with the help of your eraser. Then with gentle pressure, right, I'm using my pointed pencil. Now with very gentle pressure, you need to just add little shadows over here on the other side, like this, cast shadows, and then blend your outlines with your base. Blend your outlines with your base. So you can see the inside, the behavior of the water, right? Somewhere it will go dark gray, white. So these white areas you can highlight more with the help of your eraser again. Or the drop of the water, like this. This is how you have to make your drop water effect on the face.